Hi everyone, just popping on to talk about our syringes that we use in our colostrum harvesting kits. We occasionally get asked why we use these types of syringes. So as midwives, nationally, we know that when anything is given enteral, so orally, into a baby's mouth in hospital, we would always use a purple syringe. We also use what's called a Luer lock, and as you can see, it's a screw top lid. So that's a safety aspect. So that's to prevent any choking hazard from any pop-off lids just being able to come off the end. And obviously that's really important if you're giving your baby express breast milk and you're tired. Now, we need to be honest, we know that expressing breast milk can be really difficult. And we would always teach you in hospital. But if you're doing it for colostrum harvesting and you're struggling with our syringes, what I would recommend is letting your milk drop into the well before you start using that plunger. And if you're still struggling with that, it might be that you prefer to use anything from home that's sterile. So that might be a little medicine pot, or if you've got a bottle lying about, and it might be that that's easier for you. So you can gently let the milk go into the sterile container. And then of course, when it comes to storage, you would get the milk into the syringe, keeping the lid on to keep it all secure, and labelling it and placing it in your fridge. I hope that helps. Any more questions, just ask away. Thank you.